Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make two of my absolute favorite salad dressings. They're so easy, so delicious. They really help bring a lot of flavor to sometimes boring salad, and they're just so good. All right guys, let's get started. So the first dressing we're gonna make is just a simple Dijon vinaigrette. This works well with arugula salads, dark leafy green salads, practically any kind of salad. It's really good and really versatile. Both of the dressings we're making today are actually really versatile, and that's why I love to just have them on hand in the refrigerator. So you're gonna just grab a large cup or jar. I'm using this one. And then you're gonna take your favorite olive oil. We're gonna do a half a cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and about 1 teaspoon of honey. You could also use regular cane sugar or maple syrup if you'd like. I just prefer to use honey. And then just a pinch of salt and black pepper. And then if you have it in a jar, all you have to do is put the lid on and give it a good shake, or you could just whisk it up like so. And that's it for this easy Dijon vinaigrette. And you could totally add on to this if you want, add in a couple other herbs if you'd like. It's a very versatile dressing. It's really good, it's very healthy. You can keep this in an airtight container in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days. All right, now we're gonna make a really good cilantro vinaigrette. So you're gonna grab 1 bunch of fresh cilantro. This is pretty big. I'll probably use about half of this, or 3/4 of it. You're gonna put it in your blender. Stems and everything, you can eat all of it. Cilantro is really great because it can help remove heavy metals from your blood. It helps prevent heart disease, and it even can help lower your blood sugar. So highly recommend having a little cilantro every now and then. We have our cilantro. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of olive oil, 2 fresh cloves of garlic, half a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. You could also use rice vinegar, pepper,
red or black,
whichever you want. Salt. I used about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then if you have fresh limes, that works even better, but I'm going to use this instead, and this is a really great substitute. I keep this on hand in the fridge. I use it for our sparkling water machine, for recipes when we don't have limes. I highly recommend keeping this in your fridge. So we're gonna use about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. And now blend. And that's it. Now you have a delicious cilantro vinaigrette ready to go. This will also keep in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days in a closed container. Mike, did you want to try these?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do a taste test.
I'm so excited. I love sauces of all varieties. I mean, look at the colors on these. It's just, the colors alone speak volumes. Let's go. Honey Dijon vinaigrette. Oh, wow. I can drink this. The oil with the honey and the Dijon, the herbs, I can taste all of it. And it's really light. I would never feel bad about having this. That's a blast of cilantro. My goodness. That is an amazing, delicious, hard-hitting, and very healthy. Again, I couldn't feel bad about eating this. When I pour ranch over my salads, it's fun, but you just know there's something wrong about it. And this is way more delicious, and it's wholesome, and it just makes me feel better.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy the cilantro vinaigrette and Dijon mustard vinaigrette. If you like these recipes, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And for more recipes, please visit us at nestinature.com. Thanks. Have a great day.